Good morning. My name is Deepa Kumari and I am postgraduate in Zoology. Today I am here to give a demo class on human respiratory system. Before we go to the topic, we must know the difference between the respiration and breathing. Breathing is simply the exchange of gases. Exchange of gases which involve inhalation and exhalation. Simply, uh, we inhale the air from the environment and exhale out carbon dioxide to the environment. This process is known as breathing. Breathing involves inhalation plus exhalation. In inhalation, we inspire oxygen or air from the environment, or in exhalation, we expel out carbon dioxide from our body to the environment. Respiration is a simple term. Respiration is different from the breathing. It involves both breathing as well as oxidation of food. Oxidation of food is necessary to produce energy, and this energy we use for our day-to-day activities, and this is the basic need of respiration. Oxidation of food is the basic need of respiration. Now we will learn the need of respiration. Need of respiration. Before that, we must know why we all are alive. We all are alive not only to perform khana, pina and sona, but we are alive to perform various activities. We are alive to perform various activities like playing, watching TV, exercise, or any work. To perform any work, we need energy, and this energy we get from the food we consume. This energy we get from the food we consume. Our digestive system only digests the food or break down the food, but for the oxidation of food we need oxygen, and we get the oxygen through the breathing process. We get the oxygen through the breathing process, and when food and oxygen combines, there is a reaction occurs through which energy is produced in the form of ATP. Using this energy, we perform our day-to-day activities. So this is the basic need of the respiration, and during the process of respiration, carbon dioxide is produced, which is also exhaled out through the process of breathing.